This is how to make perfect rice every single time. 1.5 cups into a microwavable bowl. Place it into a 1200 watt microwave. Set the timer for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Remove from microwave. Add 1 2/3 cup of broth or water. You'll hear it steam as it cracks the rice. Now you'll add a touch of salt, maybe some black pepper, maybe some garlic, maybe some cumin, maybe some sazon, definitely at least a tablespoon of cooking oil. We stir the spices in oil and cover the bowl with plastic wrap. We add a few holes for venting, and then we put it in the microwave. On the microwave, we select rice for cooking, start it, and we let the sensor do the rest. While the rice is cooking, you can prep another portion of the meal or just sit back and watch TV. In about 26 minutes, you have perfect rice with no stirring, no attending. If your microwave doesn't have a rice setting, ours took 26 minutes to complete, so you can use that as a reference to adjust your microwave cooking time. All you do now is pull back the plastic, watching out for the hot steam, and just fluff up the rice. Perfect rice every time. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment, join the subscription team, and as always, thank you ever so much for watching.